Microingredients claims their pure oregano oil with black seed oil can boost immunity, relieve cold symptoms, and support overall wellness. But after using it consistently for a few weeks, the results were more subtle than expected. The product comes with a strong herbal aroma and slightly bitter taste, which might be off-putting to some, but it's tolerable if you're used to natural supplements. I didn't experience any dramatic changes in my health or energy levels, but there was a mild improvement in how quickly I recovered from a mild cold and a general sense of clarity during the day. However, it's hard to say whether that was entirely due to the oil or just part of my normal healing process. It's worth noting that while the ingredients like oregano oil and black seed oil are known for their traditional health benefits, the impact can vary greatly depending on your body and lifestyle. The bottle is decently priced and seems to last a while, but if you're expecting a miracle cure, this might not be it. Overall, the product isn't a scam, but it's not exactly a game changer either, more like a natural boost that works quietly in the background, if at all.